Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn partial fractions. So these are the learning outcomes that we're going to learn. Now, first thing first is to learn the linear factor. Alright. So if you have like this, we are going to separate into parts. That's why it's called partial fractions. Okay. So this one first part, and then the other one is the second part. Right. So if this is linear, so you just put the numerator as constant a and b. So for example, we have two factors here, 1 and then 2. So we're going to separate to two parts, a and then b. Okay, if you have three factors like this, 1, 2 and 3, so you have to separate like a and then b and then plus with c, okay, over all the factors one by one. Now the third one, this one is quadratic. So if we can factorize, you need to factorize first. Factorize first, then you have two factors. Two factors like this. So we're going to separate first factor A and then B. So this one is only two linear factors. Now, we're going to look at the first one. First example 23 in the lecture notes. Alright, this one right in partial fractions. So first, if you look at here, we have two linear factors. So we're going to separate two parts, A and B. Alright, so this one is first mark. When we decompose, means you separate linear factor tu. And then you equate the denominators, right? And then multiply here, equate the denominator. So comparing with the left side, numerator, pengatas itu kita samakan. Like that. So we are going to use elimination method. So what is elimination method? So first we are going to let this one as like a 0. So when x plus 2 equals to 0, you get x equals to negative 2. So you substitute x negative 2 left and right. So this is the right side. So daripada kiri sampai kanan tu habiskan semua, masukkan x negative 2. Now you substitute one by one. Negative 2 into x, here negative 2, and then here you get 0 lah already. And then here also negative 2. So when we calculate, you get b. Yes, b equals to 1 over 3. So okay, wait. And then the left side here, the left side pula, the right side. So if you look at here, we have x minus 1. So when x minus 1 equals to 0, so you get x equals to 1. So you substitute x equals to 1, nanti sebelah b tu dapat kosong. Ni dapat 0 dah. So you will get the value of a. Dapat a and then substitute back. A and then b. This one not so proper to write because you have like 3 layers of fraction. So we're going to put over 3 tu letak dekat bawah. Baru cantik sikit lah. So this will be the final answer. You have to write back the partial fraction. So 2x plus 3 over x minus 1, x plus 2. Okay. So kena tulis balik lah sebab dia suruh write in partial fraction. So left side kena tulis. Right side, that will be the answer. Okay. Right. Let's say you have quadratic that can be factorized. So you have to factorize first. This one quadratic kuasa 2. So ada 2 factor lah. Jadi when we factorize, you're going to separate A plus B. Okay. Wait. And then equate the denominator. Now we are going to multiply with the denominator. So darabkan silang tu. Like this. Alright. Now kita nak compare numerators only. Numerator. So elimination lah tadi kita dah. X plus 2 equals to 0. What is the value of x? X equals to negative 2. You substitute negative 2. Masukkan lari daripada kiri. Cepat jalannya daripada kiri. Terus masuk sampai ke kanan. So we're going to substitute one by one. X semua tu masukkan. Yang ni dah kosong lah. Yang itu dah tak payah tulis dah. So you get the value of B. B is negative 5 over 3. Okay. This one, when x plus 1 equals to 0, you get x equals to 1. So you substitute x equals to 1 daripada kiri, sama juga. Sampai habis, so you will get the value of A. Substitute back the partial fractions, and then the value of A and B. Cantikkan sikit, letak bawah. Ini macam serabut kan, macam ni kan kat situ. Atas tu, so letak bawah 3 dia. Okay, so this is the partial fraction. Alright, next one. This also the same thing, right? Tak payahlah kot ni. Terus. Ni je lah. Ni sama je. Factorize. Lepas tu masukkan balik. So when you factorize, you get A, B. So when we equate the denominator, kita nak samakan yang sebelah atas je. Equalize. numerator. So you substitute x equals to -1/2, and then the other one x equals to 1. Macam tu bila disamakan dengan kosong. Jadi bila kiri masuk dapat B. Okay, masuk 1/3, and then bila x masuk dapat A. Yes, substitute balik. Lepas tu, yay, dah habis dah. So this is the final answer.